Being a master chef was a super cool experience that I wouldn't trade for anything in the world. I'm majoring in communications with a concentration in public relations, and that was 100% inspired by the super awesome PR team at MasterChef. I thought their job was so cool. And growing up, I had the opportunity to be able to cook whatever I wanted in the kitchen and express my creativity. And now I teach cooking classes to kids to try to do the same. So it was definitely a super cool experience, and it impacted my life, obviously, in so many ways, especially now today. And it's something that I love talking about, and if I could go and do it again, I'd do it 100 times over.